the topic that about accounts, object of accountancy and functions of accountancy with an introduction part. Let's get into the video. A business concern has to keep a systematic record of its business transactions. Bookkeeping is the art of recording business transactions in regular and systematic manner. Okay, we can understand the bookkeeping, how it's important to a business organization. For this, different scientists gave different definitions according to them and their ideology and terminology. Let's see about the scientists. According to Cato, he said that bookkeeping is the science and art of correctly recording in books of account all those business transactions that result in the transfer of money or money's worth. And another two scientists called Smith and Ashburn also gave definition about accounting and bookkeeping. Accounting is a science of recording and classifying business transactions and events primarily of financial character and the art of making significant summaries, analysis and interpretation of those transactions and events and communicating the results to persons who must make decisions or form judgments. And another committee called American Institute also certified that accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money. So by this we can understand how bookkeeping is an important element in business organization or business concern, because without bookkeeping no business concern can run, because bookkeeping is important to know the profit and loss of our business and what is the sale and what is the purchasing capacity of our business. And also we can know some important characteristics that involves in accounting. First is it is an art of recording financial transactions. It involves making summaries and analysis of financial transactions. It is an art of interpreting the results of financial transaction and communicating the results to the persons who are interested in such results. And accounting is regarded as language of business. It means that it communicates with parties concerned through accounting statements. This is all about bookkeeping and accountancy and definitions that are given by different scientists. Now let's know about objects of accountancy. First one, to keep a permanent, accurate and complete record of business transactions. The main object of accountancy is to keep a permanent and correct and complete record of business transactions. And mainly secondly is to maintain record of incomes, expenses and losses in such a way that the profit or loss can be specified, period may be ascertained. And thirdly, to keep record of assets and liabilities in such a way that the financial position of the business at a point can be easily ascertained. And fourthly, to enable the businessman to review and revise his policies in the light of past experience brought to light by analyzing and interpreting records and reports. And final object of accountancy is to provide information for legal and tax purposes. We all know about the last one. I hope you understand the above objects of accountancy. So let's know about the functions of accountancy. These functions of accountancy are divided into 6. First is maintaining systematic records. Secondly, communicating the financial results. Thirdly, meeting legal requirements, protecting business assets. And fifthly, assistance to management. And lastly, stewardship. We can discuss it from 1st to 6th separately. Now let's start maintaining systematic records. That is first one. The primary function of accounting is to maintain systematic record of business transactions, to classify them, post them in ledger and finally prepare the final accounts. With final accounts we can conclude what is the profit and what is the loss. This is all about maintaining systematic records. And secondly, communicating the financial results. Accounting is used to communicate financial information in respect to net profit, loss, assets, liabilities, etc. to the interested parties. It is about the communicating the financial results. And thirdly, meeting legal requirements. The accounting system must be able to comply with legal requirements, the provisions of various law such as Companies Act, Income Tax Act, etc., require the submission of statements or returns in annual accounts, income tax returns, etc. We can understand by the heading only meeting legal requirements. Legal requirements means it is related to the government and the taxes which we have to pay to the government. And fourthly, protecting business assets. Accounting maintains proper records of various assets such as cash and bank balances, inventories, etc., which enable the management to exercise proper control over them. And it is about protecting business assets means which are the assets like cash balance and the balance in the bank, which enable the management to exercise proper control over them. And fifthly, assistance to management. Accounting helps the management in task of planning, controlling and coordination of business activities. Means assistance to management, it is nothing but we are planning to make a task about sales or making purchase of an asset or anything. And sixthly, stewardship. In case of companies, the management is entrusted with the resources of enterprise. The management is expected to act as the trustees of the funds. Accounting helps them to achieve the same. That's all for today. Let's meet in another video. Thanks for listening.